this lecture we will create a unique design and a symmetric layout with SwiftUI. The avocados facts reveal some interesting information for us about this popular fruit. Inside the container, there is a text block. It has a green linear gradient background color and rounded corners. Outside of this container, you can see some shapes of circles stacked on each other. There is an image in the smallest circle. Below it, you can see a bigger white circle. Below the white circle, there is another bigger circle with another green gradient background color. The last circle below the previous one is quite interesting because it has got a special color, the adaptive appearance color set. That means this color matches its appearance with the device appearance settings. So in the light mode it's white and in the dark mode it's black. Using this adaptive appearance color, we can separate the circles from the rectangle shape. This technique creates an interesting design, and with the asymmetric layout, it stands out when we insert and repeat it in a horizontal scrolling view. I'm sure that you will love this design exercise at the end, so let's start coding. Select the View folder in the Project Navigator. Then create a new SwiftUI file. Name it to Facts View and save it. Hide the Navigator's panel if you have a small screen. Go to the Preview view and enter the following modifier. Preview layout fixed. Width 400. Height 220. We will create our design inside this fixed-sized view. Let the size of the canvas to 100%. Then go to the desktop and open the Resources folder. Inside it, open the Data folder and finally the fact data text file. Select the second facts string content and copy this long sentence to the clipboard. Close the text file and the Finder window because we don't need them in this lecture anymore. Jump back to the Xcode and paste the content from the clipboard into the text view. Then add the default padding modifier to it temporarily. After that, we add a fixed width and height to this text view using a frame. Width 300. Height 135. Alignment center. Next, create a new gradient background. Background, linear gradient, 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 colors. Color, color green medium. Color, color green light. Start point leading. End point trailing. After that, add a 12 points corner radius modifier to this view. We are going to finish the design of the text view with the font style. Line limit 6. Multi-line text alignment leading. Font footnote. Foreground color, color white. Nice, our text view is done, but before to continue with the image view, we need to embed this into a new Z stack. So let's create one right now. Then create a new image view inside it. Image, avocado fact 2. Resizable. Frame, width 66. Height 66. Alignment center. clip shape, circle. Offset, exposition, -150. You may wonder why we choose this exact number for the offset. 150 is the half size of the width of the text view. You should keep in mind that SwiftUI is using the center of the view for calculating a coordinate point. That's why the photo is half inside and half outside above the text view. Next, we will change the padding of the text content. Add these modifiers above the frame because the orders of these modifiers really matter in the case of SwiftUI. Padding, leading, 55. Padding, trailing, 10. Padding, vertical, 3. Now navigate to the image view and create our first circle background below it. It will be bigger by 8 points than the image. You must enter these modifiers above the offset modifier to get the same result that we wanted. Background, circle. Fill, color, white. Frame, width, 74. Height, 74. Alignment, center. Great, our design gets better. The next background circle will be bigger than this one by 8 points as well. This circle will get a similar linear gradient background like the text view has got. Background, circle, fill. Linear gradient, gradient, gradient. Colors, color, color green medium, color, color green light. Start point, trailing, end point, leading. Frame, width, 82, height, 82, alignment, center. As you can see, in the SwiftUI framework, we can use multiple similar modifiers at the same time, like backgrounds in this case. Just don't forget that the orders of these modifiers matter a lot. You can guess that the last circle background is bigger than the previous one by 8 points too. Background, circle, fill, color. Color appearance adaptive. Frame, width, 90. Height, 90. Alignment, center. This circle will have that special adaptive appearance color, which one we created at the very beginning of this section. Nice job! The unique design and the asymmetrical layout look great. See you at the next lecture, and we will embed these avocado facts into a new horizontal scrolling view.